Integrating glass doors into bathtub-shower combos has changed bathrooms' aesthetic appeal and functionality. This innovative design maximizes space and enhances the overall bathroom experience. Glass doors in bathtub-shower combos enhance aesthetics, improve functionality by effectively containing water, and increase property value. They offer versatility, easy maintenance, and safety with tempered glass, and make small bathrooms appear larger by maximizing light and space. In this video, we explore the benefits of the various styles of glass doors available for bathtub-shower combos. Determining whether you need glass shower doors for your bathtub-shower combo involves evaluating several factors related to your lifestyle, bathroom layout, design preferences, and practical considerations. Here are key points to consider that can help you make an informed decision. Evaluate your bathroom's layout and size. Space constraints. In smaller bathrooms, sliding or bifold glass doors can be great space-saving compared to traditional shower curtains that require more room to move freely. Visual space. Glass doors can make a bathroom appear larger and more open by allowing light to flow freely, an important consideration for tight spaces. Consider your lifestyle and preferences. Ease of maintenance. If you prefer low-maintenance solutions, glass doors are easier to clean and don't require frequent replacement, like shower curtains. Consider whether you're willing to regularly clean the glass to maintain its clear appearance. Aesthetic taste. Glass doors offer a modern and sleek look. Reflect on your design preferences to decide if glass doors align with your desired bathroom aesthetic. Privacy needs. Evaluate your privacy preferences. If you require more privacy, frosted or textured glass doors might be a suitable option over clear glass. Assess your budget. Initial investment versus long-term value. Glass doors can be more expensive upfront compared to shower curtains, but they often add value to your home and can be more cost-effective in the long run due to their durability and longevity. Customization costs. Consider whether your bathtub-shower combo requires custom-sized doors, which can increase the cost. Standard sizes are generally more affordable. Think about practicality and functionality. Water containment. Glass doors are more effective at containing water within the shower area, reducing the risk of slips and water damage to the bathroom floor. Versatility. If your household includes people with varying bathing preferences, glass doors offer the flexibility for both quick showers and relaxing baths without the hassle of dealing with a clingy shower curtain. Glass doors for bathtub shower combos come in a variety of styles, each offering a unique aesthetic and set of benefits to meet different preferences and bathroom designs. Frameless glass doors, aesthetic appeal. Frameless glass doors are known for their sleek and modern look. They provide a clean, unobstructed view, making the bathroom appear larger and more open. Customization. Due to their minimal hardware, frameless doors offer more flexibility in terms of customization to fit specific dimensions and shapes. Ease of cleaning. With fewer crevices and no frame, frameless doors are easier to clean and maintain, reducing the risk of mold and mildew buildup. Semi-frameless glass doors. Blend of styles. Semi-frameless doors strike a balance between the minimalist appeal of frameless doors and the structural integrity provided by framed doors. They have a thin frame that may be present around the entire door or only on certain sides. Cost-effectiveness. Offering a compromise between the high-end look of frameless doors and the affordability of framed options, semi-frameless doors are an attractive choice for many homeowners. Framed glass doors. Durability. Framed glass doors are known for their durability. The frame, typically made of metal, provides additional support and stability, making it a sturdy choice. Design variety. The frames come in various finishes, including chrome, brushed nickel, and oil-rubbed bronze, allowing for easy integration into the bathroom's existing decor. Budget-friendly. Generally, framed glass doors are more budget-friendly than their frameless counterparts, offering a cost-effective solution without sacrificing quality. Sliding glass doors. Space-saving. Sliding doors are ideal for bathrooms with limited space, as they do not require clearance for opening outward or inward. They glide smoothly along tracks, making them easy to operate. Functional design, perfect for bathtub shower combos, sliding glass doors provide easy access to the tub while maximizing space efficiency. Pivot glass doors, swing open design. Pivot doors are hinged to swing open, either inward or outward. They are a good option for wider bathtub openings and offer a clean, elegant look. Flexibility. This style is suitable for spacious bathrooms where door swing space is not a concern, providing an unobstructed entry and exit. Bifold glass doors. Compact solution. Bifold doors consist of panels that fold into each other, similar to an accordion, making them an excellent choice for small bathrooms. Versatile installation. They offer the aesthetic appeal of glass doors while being practical for tight spaces where a sliding or pivot door might not be feasible. Textured and frosted glass doors. Privacy. For those seeking privacy without sacrificing natural light, textured or frosted glass doors offer an ideal solution. They blur the view while allowing light to pass through. Decorative options. Available in various patterns and textures, these doors can add a decorative element to the bathroom, enhancing its overall design. Choosing the right style of glass door for your bathtub-shower combo depends on several factors, including bathroom size, personal preference, budget, and desired level of privacy. Each style offers unique benefits and can significantly enhance the functionality and aesthetics of a bathroom. Glass doors in bathtub-shower combos offer a multitude of benefits that enhance both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of a bathroom. Aesthetic enhancement. Elegant appearance. Glass doors add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any bathroom, elevating the overall design. Openness and light. They allow natural and artificial light to flow freely, creating a brighter, more open space. This visual expansion makes the bathroom appear larger and more inviting. Functional improvements. Versatility. Glass doors provide the flexibility to enjoy both a quick shower and a relaxing bath, accommodating different preferences and needs within the same space. Water containment. Unlike shower curtains, glass doors effectively prevent water from splashing onto the bathroom floor, minimizing slip hazards and keeping the space outside the tub dry. Maintenance and hygiene. Easy to clean, glass doors are simpler to clean compared to fabric shower curtains, which can harbor mold and mildew. Regular cleaning with appropriate products can keep the glass looking pristine. Durability. Made from tempered safety glass, these doors are designed to withstand impact and resist scratches and stains, ensuring longevity and continued aesthetic appeal. Safety features. Tempered glass. The use of tempered glass reduces the risk of injury in case of breakage, as it shatters into small blunt pieces rather than sharp shards. Stable access. Glass doors provide a stable and secure way to enter and exit the bathtub-shower combo, reducing the risk of slips and falls associated with stepping over a tub edge. Energy efficiency. Heat retention. The enclosure created by glass doors helps to keep steam and warmth within the shower area, potentially reducing heating costs by maintaining a warmer bathroom environment during and after use. Value addition. Increased home value. Installing glass doors in your bathtub-shower combo is an investment that can increase the resale value of your home. It is often seen as a luxury upgrade that appeals to prospective buyers. Customization options. Variety of styles. From frameless to frame designs, there are numerous styles available that can complement any bathroom decor, from classic to contemporary. Tailored fit. Glass doors can be custom-made to fit any size or shape of bathtub-shower combo, ensuring a perfect match for your specific bathroom layout. Enhanced privacy. Privacy options. With options for frosted or tinted glass, you can enjoy enhanced privacy while still benefiting from the elegance and openness that glass doors provide. The integration of glass doors into bathtub-shower combos presents a blend of style, functionality, and efficiency. Whether you prefer the sleek elegance of frameless doors, the balanced aesthetics of semi-frameless doors, or the durability of framed options, there is a style to suit every preference and budget. Beyond their visual appeal, glass doors offer practical benefits, including improved safety, energy efficiency, and potential property value enhancement. As a cornerstone of modern bathroom design, glass doors in bathtub-shower combos are a worthwhile investment for any homeowner looking to elevate their bathing experience.